They have a dedicated mission to flood the zone, as it were, around specific hot button issues, specifically increasing council costs and questioning transparency within councils, taking advantage of areas the general public aren't overly aware of to push their ideologies. They pull resources and access content from a small range of sources, like challenging councils. Content from challenging councils shows up a lot on the pages run by those Voices for Freedom coordinators. It's also appeared in lists by researchers looking into pseudo-law groups around the country. This is Mark Quinn, founder of Challenging Councils. He's anti-vaccine and shared beliefs online in chemtrails, shared content from people like Liz Gunn and Brian Tamaki, and posted pseudo-law hot takes on the Challenging Council pages.